Hello everyone, in this video we want to find the perimeter of this right angle triangle. Solution. Now let us label the length of this side A, the length of this side B, the length of this side C. And since the given triangle is a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem, which says C squared equal to A squared plus B squared. Here our B is 10. So let us substitute 10 into this equation. C squared equal to A squared plus 10 squared. C squared equal to A squared plus 10 squared is 100. So let us transpose A squared to the left hand side. So we are going to have C squared minus A squared equal to 100. I want you to recall the concept of difference of two squares, which says x squared minus y squared equal to x plus y, x minus y. So let us use this concept here. So we can say C plus A and C minus A equal to 100. Now let us find the factor pairs of 100. Factor pairs of 100 are, we have 1 and 100, we have 2 and 50, we have 4 and 25, we have 5 and 20, we have 10 and 10. Now the only factor that we can use for this equation must be both even or both odd. And the reason is that if we find the sum of this, let me show you. Let us say C plus A minus C minus A. C plus A will give us minus times positive will give us minus C. Minus times minus will give us plus A. So C plus A minus C plus A is equal to 2A. You will know that 2 multiplied by any number will always be even. That means this one will be even. Also, if you find C plus A plus C minus A will give us C plus A plus C minus A. C plus C will give us 2C plus A minus A will give us 0. So we are going to have 2C, also even. Now using the parity rules, which says even plus even will give us even. Even minus even will give us even. I mean even number. Odd number plus odd number will give us even. And odd number minus odd number will give us even. So our pairs of factor must be both even or both odd. So here we cannot use this one because one of them is odd and the second one is even. This one too, we can use this one because both is even. We cannot use this one because 25 is odd and 4 is even. We cannot use this one because 5 is odd and 20 is even. We can also use this one. So let us first use this one for our equation. So I can say C plus A, C minus A is equal to 2 multiplied by 50. I want you to note that the sum of two positive integers will be greater than their difference. That means C plus A is greater than C minus A. So let us equate C plus A equal to 50 and C minus A equal to 2. So C plus A equal to 50, C minus A equal to 2. Let us name this equation 1, this one equation 2. So let us add equation 1 and equation 2 together. If we add this one, we are going to have 2C plus A plus negative A will give us a 0 equal to 50 plus 2, we are going to have 52. Divide both sides by 2 over 2 over 2. C equal to 26. So let us substitute 26 into equation 1 to determine the value of our A. So we are going to have 26 plus A equal to 50. Let us transpose 26 to the right hand side. A equal to 50 minus 26. A equal to 24. So our given triangle A is 24 and C equal to 26. So the perimeter of a triangle is P equal to A plus B plus C. So let us substitute the values of our A, B and C into this equation. P equal to, our A is 24, 24 plus 10 plus 26. P equal to 24 plus 26 will give us 50 plus 10 will give us 60. So the perimeter of the triangle is 60 units. Let us try this second pair and see what we are going to get. C plus A, C minus A equal to 10 multiplied by 10. So let us say C plus A equal to 10 and C minus A equal to 10. Let us name this one equation 1, this one equation 2. Let us add equation 1 and equation 2 together. We are going to have C plus C. We have 2C plus A plus minus A will give us 0. 10 plus 10, we are going to have 20 equal to 20. Let us divide both sides by 2 to find the value of our C. Over 2 over 2. So C equal to 10. Let us substitute 10 into the first equation. 10 plus A equal to 10. Let us transpose 10 to the right hand side. A equal to 10 minus 10. So A equal to 0. Since A equal to 0, this solution is invalid because length of a triangle can never be 0. So the perimeter of the triangle is 60 units. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.